Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the only required items: the HyperX Cloud 3 with its USB sound card or USB-C dongle and a USB-C OTG adapter for your phone. You need the OTG because phones treat USB headsets as external audio devices. Once ready, plug the OTG into your phone, then connect the headset's USB dongle. If the headset has a removable cable, use the supplied USB end. This step establishes the physical bridge that enables USB audio on most modern mobiles. Once the hardware is connected, you make the phone recognize the headset. You'll usually see a USB audio notification or automatic switch to the new output. If not, open Settings, go to Sound or USB Preferences, and select the connected USB audio device. Make sure microphone and recording permissions are enabled for any app you plan to use, because Android and iOS require explicit access. This ensures both playback and mic work. Without permissions, you'll hear sound, but the mic may remain inactive. To finish, you perform a practical test. Play audio and record a short voice clip, or make a test call to confirm both mic and headphones work. If audio is one way or the mic is silent, disconnect and reseat the USB dongle and OTG adapter, then restart the phone to force device redetection. If the phone won't power the headset, try a small powered USB hub between the dongle and OTG. That supplies extra current and resolves most power-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.